What up, y'all? It's your girl Talia Janae, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an initial review slash unboxing of my Mayvenn wig. Okay, so I bought this wig through Peak Mill's website type of thing. So she sells Mayvenn, and I went under her page, and that's how I purchased this wig. She is a longtime YouTuber, and I love her. So I said, let me just go ahead and buy the wig. And I also bought the wig. I was really looking for bundles, but I was like, I really don't want to sew in, but I want to sew in, and then I want some braids, and then I want short hair. I'm just all over the place. So I usually wear synthetic wigs, and that's helped me get through my natural hair journey, which I've been natural for 3 years. And it helps me get through that. I only rock my natural hair for about maybe 4 times out the year, 4 or 5 or something like that. But I said, I'm over the synthetic wigs. Like, they're cool, but to only use it for like 2 weeks and then have to purchase another one, and then of course they get tangled in the back of in the nape area, and then you got to brush it out. I just can't anymore. Okay, I don't have time. So I said I wanted to buy a human hair wig, and so I went with Mayvenn. I was really torn because like I just didn't know who I want to purchase through. So let's go ahead and open the bag. And then, ooh, cute. So this is what the hair came in. This is a cute little baggie. Y'all, that's cute, okay? I'm acting like I ain't never got no hair before. Okay, anyway. So I got the Malaysian Body Wave lace front wig. I had thought about getting the 360, but I never pull my hair up. Like, it's rare that I pull my hair up in like a bun or a ponytail. So I was like, I'm just gonna do the lace front wig. And let me go ahead and open her up. So right now they have a sale going on the Mayvenn website. They have 25% off right now. So I use that coupon code SPRING in uppercase letters, and I got 25% off. So the original price of the wig was $260 because I got 16-inch, I believe. Yeah, 16-inch, and it's the lace front. So it was $260, and then once they take off the 25% off, it brought it down to $195. So I didn't think it was that bad, because I know people who spend a grip on human hair wigs, and I just felt like this was a steal deal. So let's go ahead and open her up. So straight out the package, she has the cafeteria net. Okay, go ahead and take that off. Well, there we go. I was caught on the hook. So here we go. Ooh. And then just a little foam. It's not foam, it's paper. But take that off. And it looks like she's pre-plucked. Yes, girl. Feels so soft. So this is the Body Wave, Malaysian Body Wave, straight out of the packaging. She's so soft. Oh my gosh. And then of course, here's the lace in the front. Got a few baby hairs. I don't care about baby hairs because I just can't deal. They're cute on other people, and I've rocked baby hairs maybe like once or twice, but I don't have to, if that makes any sense. But here is the lace in the front. And then, of course, you have your 2 combs on the side. And, oh, there's no comb in the back. And then it has the drawstring. And then the little Mayvenn tag right there. So far, she feels so good. So this is the parting space in the front, which is really good. All right, through there. I'm probably going to do a side part. I look stupid with a middle part. And I can admit that. Like, middle parts don't look good on everybody, and I'm one of those people. So, yeah. I don't want to cut the lace off yet. Oh, she feels so nice. Okay. Let me go ahead and tighten her straps. So it might not look like it right now, but I have somewhat of a smaller head. So I just went ahead and I put my clips, my drawstrings on the same hook. And then, here, let's see. I haven't braided my hair up yet. So we're just going to put this on in the front. Just put that bun back there. I have a brown stocking cap somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I'm going to have to find it, but whatever. It is what it is. Okay. So let's put her on. Pull my mirror out, Lord. She feels good and snug and secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mine sewn down. Ooh, yes, girl. She cute, honey. Yes. So this is 16 inch. Now it's taken away from the length a little bit because my hair is poofy in the back. So you can't really see what it looks like in the back. Ooh, cute. So these are what the roots look like in the front. Here's the little baby hairs. And so once I braid my hair down, it'll give it a flatter look. Because like I said, well, you saw my big puff in the back. So I'm going to turn around and let you see what the back looks like. Like, my puff is right here. So oh, she feels so nice, y'all. She feels so good. I think also because I've been rocking the synthetic wigs for so long. I mean, not a long time, but like I haven't worn, the only time I wear human hair is when I have my sew-ins. But even then, I think I went with an AliExpress vendor and they were good. I mean, they were decent. You know, you get what you pay for, pretty much. But I feeling her. Yes. So. She feels nice. So, with playing in her, I haven't seen a hair shed yet. Nope, I haven't. And I've been running my fingers through this hair. So, I haven't received any shedding. But a little bit about the company. So, they have 30-day guarantee. So it says, try the best quality hair on the market, risk-free. Wear it, dye it, even cut it. If you're not happy with your bundles, we will exchange them within 30 days for free. Now, I don't know if that also includes the wigs. I feel like it would, but just double check and make sure. They have fast free shipping. It is fast, and it was free. I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair down and then sew her down. So it has been a couple days since I've received the hair, and I finally braided my hair down in just 6 simple braids straight to the back. And then I have my stocking cap on, and then I cut my lace and then use my Got To Be Glue freeze spray. I also have the gel, but I feel like the gel gets messy if you don't know how to use it. So the freeze spray to me is the easiest one to use. And then this is the result. The only thing I put on the hair, I sprayed a little water on it a few minutes ago, just because I have been playing in it all day and it started getting frizzy. You know, the more you play in the hair, the bigger it gets. So that's all I've done. And here's the baby hairs in the front. So it's not sewn down. It's just tightened with the adjustable straps in the back. And then I have the freeze spray in the front. And there's plenty of baby hairs. I just personally don't like putting gel on my forehead and doing the baby hairs. I tend to break out, so I just like them free flowing. And here's the side. The other side. And then here's the back. So when I did the initial unboxing video, or the first part of the video, I said she didn't shed at all. And she hadn't until I really continued to play in her. So I've found about maybe 7 hairs from me constantly playing in her for the past couple days. I still don't feel like that's a lot, but you know, it is what it is. So I still give this hair a good like 10 out of 10. It meets all my expectations that I had for it. And I know it's only been a couple of days, but I'll be able to come back to y'all in a couple weeks and be able to tell you like yay or nay. So as of right now, it's been a few days and I still give it a 10 out of a 10. And of course, I'll put all the information in the description box down below, the exact link where you can get the hair. And yeah, so I really, really like it. And I will purchase again if in like 2 weeks we're still doing good. But if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.